ערובין פרק ד' משנה זין. מי שבו בדרך, someone who's on a route, וחושך לו, and it's beginning to get dark, and is about 4,000 amos away from the city. And he hasn't got time to travel and reach the city before it gets dark on Erev Shabbos. Voyemakir Elon Ogoder, he recognizes a specific tree, or a fence for that matter, Ve'oma, and he says, Shavisosi Tachtov. He is too tired to get to this tree, but the tree is within 2,000 amos of where he is at the moment. So the city is 4,000 amos away, and the tree is 2,000 amos away. If he were to exert himself, he could in fact reach this tree or this fence, which is 2,000 amos away, before it gets dark. But he's too tired to walk. So what he does is he identifies this place, and he says, Shavisosi Tachtov, my place of rest should be underneath that fence, underneath that tree. Lo amar klum, it doesn't work, it's not sufficient. The reason being, because since the tree or the fence is more than it's 8 amos, and therefore the identification is not specific enough, and therefore lo amar klum, and he's not kona hishaviso. There is a machlokas between Rav and Shmuel in the Gemara. Shmuel says that when he says lo amar klum, that means he cannot travel to that tree and then further on to the city, which would be 4,000 amos away. However, he is able to travel to the tree or the geder, which is 2,000 amos away, on Shabbos. Rav is of the opinion, since the Eruv doesn't work, then he can't even travel to that tree or fence, and he's only got 4 amos where he is. He's not kona shavisa at all. It takes literally lo amar klum means it doesn't work at all. Most of the paskin like Shmuel, and in fact he would be able to travel to the tree, but could not. He's not kona shavisa at the tree to allow him to travel further to the city on Shabbos. However, if he's more specific, if he says shavisosi be'ikoro, that my place of rest is at the root of the tree, that is more specific, then mahalech mimokum miraglov ve'ad ikre alpayim amo, he's allowed to walk from the place where he is until the root of the tree, which is 2,000 amos, umeikore ve'ad beisei alpayim, and he could travel even further from at the other side of the tree to the city. So in total he's traveling 4,000 amos. Nimso mahalech mishechoshecho, it turns out that he's able to walk after dark, in other words on Shabbos itself, arbas alofim amo, 4,000 amo, because his mokum shaviso is not mokum raglov where he is at the moment. His mokum shavisa, his place of rest when Shabbos comes in, is understood to be at the root of the tree. So he's got 2,000 amos on either side of the tree, so he can travel 2,000 amos to get to the tree, and another further 2,000 amos on the other side of the tree in order to get to the city. So in total he has traveled 4,000 amos, because he is kona shavisa, because since he has identified a specific place, which is mokum dal dal daled, that is kona shaviso. However, in the ratio of the Mishnah, where he just says the tree, and he hasn't identified a specific 4 amos square at the site of the tree, that is not considered to be kona shaviso, and therefore lo omar klum. Rav kidisa, and Rav like his shitta, and Shmuel like his shitta, how far we take the lo omar klum, as we have said previously. So concludes the